So the new exhaust came today. Yoshimura. Supposed to be all titanium. Limited edition, by the way. Yoshimura only made 200 of these TRC for the Yamaha R1 2013. I'm going to post what it looks like installing them onto the bike, but we're going to see what they look like coming out the box. Yeah, I used a knife too, because I felt like it. Knife sharp too. Got some hardware here. That. That's the shit right there. Hope ain't no kids listening to this, cause there wouldn't be no kids listening to this stuff. What else we got in here? Got a big mess. Wish I had 3 hands so I could really give you the full effect, but don't. You know, titanium, you ain't gonna get nothing better than that. So if you got an R1 and you want to go fast, God damn it. Brand new. And that's a pipe. Carbon fiber tip. All carbon. Titanium can. Straight through. That's what they look like, people. I'm gonna put another video up when I go to the garage and put it all together. I'll be back. Yoshimura, baby. I'm gonna give them a shot. It's 2013. We're gonna see how they do. Peace out.